What is the officer doing? Why did it start like this? What is going on? YouTube. Face but we're back today. We're back with some more heaters. My boy, we're back with some more heaters. If you're new here, subscribe, like the video immediately. We gotta get more likes. Let's try to get 10 likes on this video. Also, if you're new here, follow me on Instagram. Boop. And like this post. Boop. That's how I know you rocking with me. You feel me? I've been seeing y'all. I got a couple new follows, so I hope it's from y'all boys, bro. I don't want no other people following me but y'all boys. So you feel me? But anyways, what is the officer doing? What is the officer doing? Whoa! What is the officer doing? Why did it start like this? What is going on? What is happening? This just started off extra wild. He has a sizable gap right now. He could easily win this, bro. If you can't see the cops can't see you. Word of advice: if you can't see the cops can't see you. When you hit this curve, look for the next immediate turn. Literally, you have to try. You have to try. Ah, shit, too much traffic. He went straight? Oh, dude, come on, bro. There's no way you get caught. There's no way you get caught, like, just driving still, bro. You should have been bust left. Come on, gang. Is that him? How? How does he know where he's going? There's no way. There's no way. There's no way. There's no way. He did bust a right, bust a left, bro. There's no way you know where he's at. Oh, he almost hit a car. Okay, that's what I thought, bro. I ain't know where he's at.
You want to see me do it again?
And that's what I'm talking about. Let's just clap it up immediately right now. We finally got one. Out of all the cars, it was the Dodge Charger RT, the slowest one. But he got away immediately. I don't know where he's at right now. He should be ducked off as far as he could be, bro. Trying to put a lid over the car, or going to the mechanic shop and like saying, "Hey, bro, I need my shit spray painted right now, nigga." Fuck you talking about? What's going on here?
Got him.
He was just chilling too, bro. Maybe he was trying to get home. I don't know. Ain't no way he just was like, "Oh, Charger." Ain't no way he was just like, "Oh, Charger," like. Dodge Charger, black Charger, get him. Like, ain't no way you knew that was the right guy, bro. There's Chargers on the road everywhere, bro. Now imagine, bro, you just in the car chilling, bro. You just got some a pub sub or some shit, and this man just start chasing you for no reason. Ah, this probably not even him. He not even running. He probably like, what the fuck? He don't try to do it again. Man, now you acting guilty, bro. What the fuck? What that was? Undercover? Why are we getting these different POVs? I don't know. His RT got a little speed to it. Maybe it don't. He's looking lost. He tried to do the U-turn trick again. This is one of the old police cars, bro. You weren't gonna get anywhere in the first place. Everybody knows not running these. That's why he caught you, bro. You got the fucking... That's why he caught you. I'm thinking he just chasing some random car. No, he not chasing no random car, bro. This nigga he's overly identifiable, bro. Overly. He got the old police car, bro. Look at him, bro. was his last chance to enjoy his freedom, bro. He had to stare into the sunlight, gang.
When I'm with
Hey, man. This shit getting wicked, bro. These boys are getting stupider and stupider, bro. Real shit. He just had to put his hands up. He knew it was cooked, bro. He knew it was cooked.
Your hands. Give me your fucking hands. Quick, keep them up. Keep them up. Keep them up.
What?
Shut the fuck up and keep them up. Shut the fuck up. Keep them up.
Bro, you can't try to reason after you done did some stupid shit, bro. I'm not gonna lie, you cannot try to reason after you did some stupid shit. Just because you got caught, now you want to cop, please. You copping, please, bro. Just shut the fuck up and go in, bro. Real shit. Cause now you copping, please, bro. It ain't gonna help. Yeah, I don't know who more scared, bro. I probably would have shit my pants out here, bro. Bro, leave the running to the people with some skills, bro. You don't want to end up like that, nigga. Yeah, nah.